I messed up big time. And this is kind of the reality of being a small YouTuber who does everything by themselves. So today is Sunday, January 25th, 2026. And I stayed up till 3 o'clock in the morning last night. I guess technically this morning, working on a project that was to be featured in episode 7 of my series Cricket for Absolute Beginners. And so this project was a cake topper for my daughter's birthday. Now, their birthday isn't until March, but I'm trying to get started on all the projects early because there's a lot of projects and I have other stuff going on, plus I work and all of that. So I did accomplish that. I finished the cake topper, all the editing it, designing it, putting it together, cutting it on the Cricut, gluing it all together. Like, it's done. And I filmed the entire thing. I have hours of footage just from all the filming, and then like doing double filming at the same time so I can have the better microphone because my computer mic is just like not working well for like when I'm doing the tutorial. So that was all done, like I said, so 3 o'clock in the morning. It's a snowstorm today. Of course, my girls are here. It's Sunday. So I was up at about 7 o'clock in the morning. You know, I'm a mom, so you have to keep going, right? And then from there, other than like feeding them and taking care of them here and there, like for the most part, I've been right here in this chair at this computer just doing all of the editing. And it's been a lot because it's so long of a video with so many steps and so many things going on and so much back and forth. It was so much editing, but I was determined. I'm like, I'm going to get this video out today because my channel is doing well for the first time ever. And I feel like I can finally gain some traction, you know, from YouTube and like, you know, have the algorithm god smile down on me and like get somewhere finally. So I even made a post. I posted it in the community post today for YouTube, and I said, you know, like, hey, it's snowing out there because we're like in Snowmageddon right now. I'm like, hey, it's snowing out there, but like I'm working really hard to get this video. I want this video posted today. So I'm to the point where I'm so exhausted. I'm falling asleep as I'm making cuts and cutting and moving things and all of this in this editing. I'm exhausted. You know, it's 6 o'clock now, so it's like dinner time for my girls. I'm like, I have to get going. And I'm like, I'm not even halfway through all this footage. Like, I'm still in the designing portion, and I'm not even to the point where it's cutting on the Cricut. I'm not to the point where I'm putting it all together, like nothing. I'm still designing and like halfway through the designing portion of the tutorial. And even with all my cuts and everything, the video was already an hour and 15 minutes long. So I was like, nobody's going to sit and watch a 2 to 3 hour YouTube video. And it's going to take me at this point days to finish editing. So I decided I'm going to split it. So I'm going to have to do a part 1 and a part 2. Going like Deathly Hallows / Breaking Dawn. Like I was just going to have to split it. And, you know, sorry guys, but at least, you know, it kind of like split it up to do like an hour and 15 and maybe an hour and whatever afterwards, right? So here I am, half asleep, and I'm trying to like split the video and then conserve the work that I did do that's going to go on next week. Doing all of that, saved, come back. When I came back to my original video so I can close it off and just do a little outro like, hey, sorry guys, you know, it was gone. There's no backup. I've already cried on the phone to my sister, my mom. Like, these are real tears. My eyes are red because these are real tears. And I'm going to cry again because I feel like this is my 13th reason at this point. But it's gone and there's nothing I can do. My sister already sent me like videos like, hey, how can you try to recover? But it's not like the system crashed or anything. It was like something I did. I guess I pressed the wrong button somewhere. The programming was already like lagging. Like as I was like selecting all the hundreds of video clips to delete, I must have accidentally clicked on the wrong track and it's like all gone. There's about 15 minutes worth of edited footage that I have in the video where it used to be an hour and 15 minutes. Needless to say, it's taken me all day. It's taken me my entire day and like my entire sanity for the day of all this editing, and it's just all gone. Like at this point, like I never want to look at a computer screen. I never want to look at a YouTube channel or a video ever again. That's just how I feel right now. And it's rough. I feel really defeated. I cried pretty bad. My daughter came upstairs.
We're having a party.
Baby, I'm filming right now. Okay, can you go downstairs? We'll have a party in a minute.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I love you.
I also turned off all of the lights.
Okay, please be careful.
Okay.
Um. I forgot where I was, but basically, I was in here just crying. My headphones were on the floor. When I realized what I did, I just like threw them on the floor like, God, no. And my daughter comes in here and she gives me a hug. She gives me her favorite panda and gives me a kiss on the cheek. So, like, I'm blessed. How could I ever be upset? You know, like, look at these blessings all around me. But it still hurts. It still hurts. It really does. So, needless to say, I'm very sorry, guys, but episode 7 will not be out today. And I'm so truly deeply sorry for that, because I gave you false hope for anybody who was out there actually paying attention. Maybe 1 or 2 people. I'm sorry. But if you want to support the channel and make sure that I come back, because right now, like, I'm on the ledge. Like, talk me off the ledge, because I don't want to come back after this. I really don't. I do. But to sit down and edit all the stuff that I just edited, So, if you want to support the channel, maybe just leave a comment or a like down below. Watch the video. Watch some of my old videos. Because, yeah, support. I could use some support right now. More than you've already supported. I'm sorry. Anyways, I'm going to stop now because I'm a mess. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always being here. And I'm sorry, once again, that episode 7 will not be out today. Let's try again for next weekend. Because, you know, there's a work week that starts tomorrow. So it's a little harder to edit for that many hours. And when my girls have school and everything else too. I hope everyone's safe during the storm. Staying warm. I hope you have power. Somewhere warm to be. And all the supplies that you need. Everyone's please stay safe out there. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
We used to be so good together, like Bonnie and Clyde. Yeah, that kind of vibe. A love that couldn't last forever. Explosive, right?